Welcome to Tech. In this video, I will tell you that how you can find saved reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, click on Save button to save any reel. And to find this saved reel, we will move to Profile. Here on top right corner, you can find three lines. And here in Settings and Activity, you can find Saved option. So open it. And in this folder you can find all the saved reels. You can see that these are my favorite reels which I saved earlier. So you can find this recent reel. In this way you can find saved reels in Instagram. If you like the video, subscribe my channel.